In this video, we will learn about how to convert the AutoCAD drawings which are in feet and inches. How to convert this drawing to meter, okay, without drawing them again in a meter. So now this existing sheet, AutoCAD sheet we are using, that is in meter. So that's why I have named it as a feet. So to convert all these things, I need to change the units. So I need to create a new page. By creating new page, or new sheet, new drawing, I will click. So I have got the new sheet. From here I have to change the units. For that I will go for just use un, type un and enter. Okay, so I will set it as it is decimals, and precision I will go for 0.00 and then click ok. The sheet setup is ready. Now come back to feet drawing. Okay, come back to feet drawing. Here I will use one line. Okay, so click on line command, just drag it. So I am going to use it's not a perpendicular I am getting. So to get this line perpendicular, I will go for ortho mode. Okay, so now I am getting perpendicular line. I will use 5 feet line. Okay, for that 5 feet and enter. Okay, now I have got a line. Once again I will check it using dimension command. Left click, first point, second point, drag it. Okay, so now this is line is 5 feet. Okay, 1 feet equal to 12 inches, 5 feet equal to 60 inches. Keep it in mind. So I will select this entire line with dimensions and I will go for Control C. I am going to copy this. I am going to paste it in a new drawing sheet, okay, which is in meter. Okay, Control V and click. So now I have got a line with a dimension. So as we have discussed earlier, 1 feet equal to 12 inches, 5 feet equal to 60 inches. It means it has not changed in meter. It is just showing the dimension in inches. Okay, I need to convert it into meter. For that, what I will use? I will use a scale command. Okay, SC. Okay, by clicking it, here scale command will be activated. Okay, so first I will select this entire object and then I will go for SC, enter, scale command. It is asking me base point. Just click as it is. Now you need to specify the scale factor. So keep this number in mind, that is 0.02540 and then click enter. Okay, so now it is showing me in 1,52. It is nothing but 1.52 actually, but the line is smaller and dimension size are greater than line. So I need to adjust them, and also I need to change this comma as a 1.52. How, why we are getting this 1.52? Because if you check it in a calculator, 1 meter equal to 3.28 feet, we know it already. Okay, so 5 feet equal to 5 divided by 3.28, we will get answer in a meter. Okay, so this is 1.52 meter we are going to get it. Okay, now the line is converted into meter, but we need to set the dimension line and their size, everything. So for that, what I will do, I will